Hello, I'm Mrs. Ridgway, the principal at Benton Middle School, and this recording is to show you how to request your courses online in PowerSchool. So one of the most important things is that you need to log on to PowerSchool from a computer browser or a browser on your iPad. Do not use the app for PowerSchool. Once you do sign into PowerSchool, you'll have some choices along the left-hand side to choose from, and you want to choose class registration that shows the picture of a chair with the pencil. Once you click on that, you'll get a screen that looks like this, and it says, "Welcome to Benton Middle School Class Registration System for 2023-24. There's a note on here for 6th graders that we would like you to choose at least one performance class, which is music, dance, or drama, as one of your elective choices. So if you'll notice at the top, it starts with language arts, and it asks you to choose a course. On the right-hand side, you'll see a pencil here. If you click on that, it gives you two options for either honors language arts or the regular class. So you can choose whichever one you want, put a check mark in the box, click OK, and now you'll notice you've got a green check mark here next to language arts. You'll do the same for mathematics, either an honors class or a regular math class. When you get to science and social science, you'll see that there's just one option, so go ahead and select that. And you'll do this for your 5 core classes of language arts, math, science, social science, and PE. Next, you have options for electives. And you'll notice the directions here tell you to select your top 3 electives, and all 6th graders must choose at least one performance elective. When you click on the pencil here, you'll notice that it says select your top 3, and your electives are listed alphabetically across 3 pages. So let's say the performance elective you're interested in is dance, and you scroll down, no dance. Go ahead and go to the next page, and you'll see that the elective choices continue on here. So you select dance, and maybe you would also like to take the orchestra class, and you would like to take stagecraft. So you'll go ahead and select those 3 choices, and they all display right here. We try our very best to give students their top 3 choices, but we'd like you to also select 2 alternates. So these are your numbers 4 and 5 choice electives. Go ahead and open it up again. Maybe you choose art and robotics as your 2 backup choices. You'll click OK again, and now you'll notice that you have green check marks all along the right-hand side. This tells you that you have finished with your course request forms, and then you're going to want to scroll all the way down, and you'll have a submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. It doesn't show up on my sample screen, but it should show up for you. So it's very important that just as you fill out your course request forms with your choices for your core classes, either honors or regular for language arts and math, you also need to select your top 8 choices and number them in order for any of your electives. I hope that this has been a helpful instruction video, and we really look forward to welcoming you to Benton next year as a 6th grade. Congratulations.